Bia Kamal Kanur online TV channel to kon kaleran bukonaling leran banaling leran chitore which ka yambio kam SSPDF candidate konte laji SPLM IO ka jan ler me banajaling ari gadan shora lad gwasame ala SSPDF kukan target ni kwere chawuch ala kwar SPLM IO e chawuch ka yambio kukan family de kukan target jan ler dan bukolinga jan gwasame gor no jender je nywa nasen ko kien ko de lar tede kan chomala shup gwasa dan gor kon ken o de ko ten mi jiram jidit ku subscribe ka ku notification bell ko jotwan ku chu je pero je no jin bishar bu ja gor pin ko kor ko mi ler ci jeling re ler kan me bana jel lat ka thoknath ka kore bana jeling ka tok english ka do bana de ko linga ja no ko gor kono de kon mo dan le ro de kono ngach ngai kona te ke rik tu ngwanong to lat ko rodien no ka do danen ngai kono jen gwanan wo te ka koru ngwana to kan koru to ko koru gor liang rewi ka Sudan ko Sudan chi stable tam ka jen gwasame bu kon lere me ban chu gor no ban linkel ka do danen de kon linga ja kore chi to ka pan re wecha ka yambio kam SSPDF kana kore rode ka na diangar sub county kwera ora mo kwera en ran SPLM IO kwera mo no ka jana waran ciëëmani utkamen shal ke Alfred Frio shala no shi SSPDF chi ka darut kana mo darut kamen shala Paul Saniki shi kan dor shi kana wang ka shi kan kwag dialan content re darut kana mo shi kan 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 dial no chala ro tele rami shanag mi shala tene no mo charan yeno chikan kwag dial chikan ka nang ka chikan daru na mo chikan shuwang kelio kenetin gor ke kum SSPDF an gwasamo wa gor ken family ni kishi man Alfred Futuyo jala governor dung yapi ka gwasidan me chakol wojo kwerm yadit me charja de nagane ka war kum kem yadit ala SSPDF churoro jubar chu kulolo re gwadadana te SPLM IO teten en kwera mo jen kwere chawuj kirm yadit ramila ran SPLM IO dore jen me shimnen yen mo gwasa me jen dore mendanen cha wang en wudo mo awashi man ko ga target long ko do dan lat keje ko gor kumeke no me ran mishalat breaking news update on yesterday shooting in Yambio town, Western Equatorial State. A report indicated that the shooting on March 5, 2025 in Yambio was intended to intimidate residents, while suspected members of the SSPDF set fire to the house of Paul Saniki, the deputy director of Nadiangar sub-county. According to the reporter, Saniki's entire house was burned down and his properties were looted, though no casualties were reported. His residence is located in the Napere area of Yambio municipality. Since the removal of Western Equatorial State Governor Lieutenant General Alfred Futuyo Karaba, his relatives, party members, and close associates have been targeted, facing killing, arrest, displacement, and destruction of their homes in Yambio. Jana mo chala ka kwide alani dial kontin ciëëmani Alfred Futuyo wa kwa target na katandien ke yan katandien agenda lerore na mere ke Yambio ke Western Equatoria ngai kono we jaga long Western Equatoria kan Western Bagazal kan gotel kontin cha yara long kuma SSPDF antam Great Apnal State ciëëmanga yen no to kote tere we kan alser kan wolang ke kuma ka kuma kermu yadit man goro keb nas ka bom ke ku goro na ko de janok ne me jenda na gode nyola yekel ani biata kamal bye bye.